What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I forgot to do an intro for this video, so basically we're just gonna be doing a little bit of work on the OBS, the mamalona. Gotta get some love because I don't want it to break down. It's my daily driver, so gonna do a couple of things to it that I've been needing to do. I finally had time for it, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 500, so subscribe. And yeah, just enjoy the video. Peace. Look at this. The hanger's over here, right there. Oh shit, I might have fucked up. I don't think these are the right ones. Oh fuck. I'll see what I could do though. Fuck, I think I got the wrong ones, bro. How will I make this work? Damn. So as you can see, this shit is rusted out, and I just pulled this off. So, oh damn, shouldn't throw that. I don't know how the other ones are gonna fit. I'll just start taking this off. I'm on the side of the street right now, but I can get my fucking plot ran over. Two fucking cars just passed by going fast as fuck. This is why I'm trying to buy a house. It's literally getting stripped. I'm fucked if it gets stripped. Shit ain't going nowhere. I got lucky this side has this. I need to find out the other side now, because the other one is different. It does not have this. This is the reason I skipped that side and came to this side. So since I got this one done, I'm gonna go to the other side and see what I can do. So this is what it looks like. Right here. Yeah, it doesn't shake at all anymore compared to this. That was gay, bro. But one side's fixed. I'm gonna see what's up with the other side. Alright guys, so I got this side done. It's just started to rain, so I'm getting wet. Pause. This is how much clearance I have. Less than a finger. And look at this. Now I just gotta make the other one higher. But if it gets too, like, if it starts to rain too hard, I'm gonna just leave it as is. But I'm gonna try to get the other one higher too, so it matches this. Alright guys, so this fucking flashlight just died. It's gonna keep turning off, but yeah, it's there now. It's sturdy. This one's a tiny bit lower than the other side, but it is what it is. Instead of using this as I was doing at first, I instead used the same thing right here as the other side. Oh fuck, it's so cold, bro. And it's raining. Look at the cardboard. It's all wet now, so I'm gonna just finish that up. I mean, I'm done now. I just gotta clean up, and then some other day I'll change the oil. So I'll be back on that day. Alright, I'm gonna do an oil change on the OBS. Got my car jack. This thing, cause this jack is like kind of broken. I don't want this shit to fall on me. It will literally kill me. I'm going with the 5W30 full synthetic. No reason. I just watched TJ Hunt and I just want to try it out. I usually always went with mobile one, but I got the Valvoline. So yeah, this thing is past due. I think it's been like 6,000. Now I'm exaggerating, but it's been thousands of miles since this thing got an oil change, which is really bad. I'm gonna show you guys. Just look at this. Holy shit. Y'all see? It's under the line. And look how fucking dark it is. Super duper bad, which is I am such a dumbass, but finally doing an oil change before I get rod knock. Also found some gloves my dad had. I just took them. He don't even use them, so go ahead and check this. Hopefully there's no gunk, please. All right, we're good. I'm gonna sniff it. All right, smells like oil. Now I'm gonna jack it up. I ain't even get my hands dirty, bro. Look at this. I'm so pro. I'm gonna lower the truck so it all goes, all the fucking oil comes out of the fucking pan. And just wait till it fully drains. Bro, just look at this oil. It's as black as oil filter, bro. When I tell you guys I have not done an oil change on this thing in a long time, I mean it. Bro, I don't have a damn funnel. I might spill a whole bunch of oil now. Let me see if this hack works. So fortunately, you put the dipstick here, and then you just run it down the dipstick. That fucking failed. Damn. Alright, I don't have a funnel, so I'm gonna just use this. I cut a water bottle. Let's see if it's topped off. And it's perfect. Now we start this shit up. Damn, this shit is way smoother, bro. Just for the start. Usually when I do oil changes, I really don't feel a difference, but I actually felt a difference with this oil change for the first time of me owning like 1,000 cars. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the truck off and check the oil level one more time. So look, this is all the oil I had. Like around 3 quarts. I was driving this thing with 3 quarts of oil when it takes 5. Yeah, bro, this shit runs smooth now. I don't know what to say. This is the end of the video, guys. Would you guys be interested in POV drives though? I got a camera, the one I crashed my Nissan in. I never used it after, but I really would like to do some POV drives. Sucks that there's a whole bunch of fucking copyright songs that I listen to. Well, that's only, that's all I listen to. But YouTube would fucking copyright the fuck out of all the videos. They already copyright some of my videos, although supposedly it's fucking free music, free for profit type shit, but they still copyright it. Anyways, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't subscribe now, your car, truck, whatever you drive, you're gonna wake up one day and it's not gonna have oil, and you're gonna start that shit and it's just gonna fucking blow up. And if you drive an electric car, one day your battery will just be missing and you will have to pay thousands of dollars to get it replaced. So subscribe.